I bet this is the easiest and fastest method to make the potato chips. More than that, it is very crispy too. Now heat the oil in a pan and add few crushed garlic, which will give extra flavor to the oil and the chips. And I'm using this type blade so that you will get very thin slices. Once the oil is hot, slice the potatoes directly into the oil. It will be hot, be careful. You may think this is quite difficult, but it is not. Don't add too much slices into the oil, it will stick to each other. I am here adding just one potato at a time. Stir it continuously so that it won't stick to each other. Fry this in medium flame, and once the edges are started getting light brown color, add the salt water. I am adding 1 teaspoon, and you can adjust according to your taste. Stir continuously, and once it is getting light golden brown, you can take it out from the oil. And that's it, we are done. Now you can sprinkle some chaat masala or chili powder for the extra flavor. See, it's easy, right? Now you can make chips anytime. If you like my recipes, please subscribe and share. Thank you.